Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Kajal.
And I am Deva. Today's video is going to be super fun and interactive. We are doing a personal question answer session.
That's right, Deva. And I'll ask each other 30 questions about our daily lives, habits, and preferences, along with English. We will explain the Hindi meaning of every single question and answer.
This will help you learn how to ask questions about someone and how to reply naturally. So let's jump right in.
Deva, what time do you usually wake up in the morning?
I usually wake up around 5 am. Kajal, are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am definitely a morning person. I love early mornings. What is the first thing you do after waking up?
I drink a glass of warm water and check my daily tasks. Do you prefer tea or coffee in the morning?
I always prefer a strong cup of tea to start my day. Do you exercise daily or go for a run?
Yes, I go for a 20-minute walk every day morning and do yoga for an hour. How long does it take you to get ready in the morning?
It usually takes me about 30 minutes to get ready. What do you do for a living, Deva?
I am an English teacher and digital content creator. Kajal, what is your favorite hobby when you are free?
I love reading books and listening to peaceful music. Do you know how to cook food?
Yes, I can cook basic meals like rice, dal, and omelette. What is your absolute favorite dish to eat?
My favorite dish is paneer butter masala with naan. How do you spend your weekends?
I usually spend my weekends with my family and watch movies. Do you enjoy traveling to new places?
Yes, I love exploring new cities and nature sports. What kind of movies do you like to watch?
I really enjoy comedy and inspirational movies. Who is your favorite actor or actress?
I don't have one favorite, but I admire good performers. Are you active on social media?
Not very much. I only use it for work and staying connected. Do you prefer rainy weather or sunny days?
I definitely prefer rainy weather with cup of hot tea. What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is dark blue. Can you play any musical instrument?
No, I can't play any instrument, but I would love to learn the guitar. Where were you born and brought up?
I was born and raised in a small town. What was your favorite subject in school?
English was always my favorite subject in school. Were you a studious child or a mischievous one?
I was a bit mischievous, but I always got good marks. Have you ever traveled abroad?
Not yet, but I plan to travel abroad next year. What is your biggest dream in life?
My dream is to help millions of people speak English easily. What makes you happy when you are sad?
Talking to a good friend always cheers me up. Do you speak any other languages besides English and Hindi?
Yes, I can speak a little bit of my original language too. Do you like shopping for clothes?
Yes, I love shopping, especially during festival seasons. Are you a punctual person who arrives on time?
Yes, I strictly value time and always try to be punctual. How do you reduce stress after a long day?
I take a hot shower and read a chapter of a book. Do you prefer reading physical books or ebooks?
I prefer real physical books because I like the feel of paper. What advice would you give to someone learning English today?
Practice every day. Don't be afraid of making mistakes and stay consistent. Wow, that was 30 questions. We hope you enjoyed learning these daily conversational sentences with us.
If you found this video helpful, please Hit the like button and share it with your friends who are learning English.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so you never miss a lesson.
Comment down below and answer question. What time do you usually wake up? We would love to read your replies.
Keep practicing every day. Goodbye, everyone.
See you in the next video. Happy learning.